ain't my first rodeo.
Yeah. Go up. You see the red SUV, the blue SUV, right in there. Right in just past that umbrella. Okay? Then you go up back. Right. Let me get out of the way. Let me get out of the way. There you go.
Moments later.
I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too bad! You keep digging!
Another exit like a half mile down, so just go down to where you see the beaches smooth and hard, and then take it apart.
I know when that alarm blink, that can only mean one thing.
Brief construction montage. A few moments later. More moments later.
I'm staying with you. I'm gonna move out of the way. It's gone nice and slow. Drive right in the distance of hard. Speed up there, and then less than half a mile down. Okay. I'm going down that way too. Okay, I'll keep an eye on you.
no guided beach tours? Call now if you're scared of being stuck.
Want to get off right here. On a park, go down this way, and you see there, dark and black.
Do it! Now come on, Willie, I know you can do it, boy! I know you can jump this wall! Come on, I believe in you, Willie! You can do it! Yeah!
Later that same evening.
I usually got a set of J-hooks. I got everything with me. No, I'm from Florida. I just bought this truck in Missouri a month ago. I was like, hey, this would be better. It's four-wheel drive. Ready to go. Hey, the four-wheel drive, I hit four-wheel drive right there. Never mind.
I'm gonna turn around.
Oh, it'll be alright. I can tell you about
You should say you might as well throw that in the bed. It might help me. When I am in four-wheel drive, at least.
It don't matter one way or the other.
Well, I don't want to leave the piece of concrete in the middle of the sand.
Yeah, no, I agree. It needs to be moved. I'm just saying, if it's in the back or if it's not in the back.
Easier than walking
It's
all the
going
way.
to fly. It's going to slam all the way up to your bed and I yank you.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You know all that, right?
It ain't my first rodeo.
Yeah.
I've done it to other people.
I know. Here we go.
Brief construction montage.
Yeah. If anything breaks, it's on me. You're just pulling me down.
I saw your face. All right, here we go. You ready? Go with it. Whoa! My rope! Stop! Stop!
It ain't my first rodeo.
You got my rope! My rope's around your tire, man.
Uh-oh. I thought you were talking about the pole. I was like, it's not spinning no more. Hold on.
Pull forward a little bit. Yeah, your spikes around the tire. Pull forward. Stop.
I'm good, man. I ain't going back down there.
Yeah, if you could do me a favor, stick your head in there and see that fire. And then bound up around it, guys. Come on. Forward. I thought you'd done this.
I'm trying to done it my own. I thought you were still going.
A little bit more this time. There you go. Go. I got it. Good. All right, Wanda. Let me up out the way and do it here. Hey.
I'm gonna go through. It's probably the actuator. That's usually what it is.
But do me a favor, turn your lights on.
Oh yeah, I just listened so people didn't hit me.
Yeah.
Hey, I ain't out here pulling nobody out on four-wheel drive.
Right.
And I got buddies that are gonna be out here all weekend.
Yeah.
So I'll just send them the picture. I'll be like, hey, this guy will do it.
Cool, man.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome. Be blessed.
Woo!